Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see the gate question. In gate 1997, for 5 marks they have asked. See, previously in 1997, in 1994, there used to be descriptive questions that used to carry 5 marks. Means you have to give the detailed solution like semester exam we were having. Okay. So it is not like MCQ question. It is saying that construct a finite state machine with minimum number of states. So finite state machine we have to construct with minimum number of states. Okay. So they have said finite state machine. So we will assume since DFA is also a finite state machine and with minimum number of states means minimal DFA they are asking, accepting all string over A comma B such that number of A is divisible by 2. Number of A should be divisible by 2 and number of B is divisible by 3. Okay. So number of A's in W mod 2 should be equal to 0 and number of B's in W mod 3 should be equal to 0. So we know that we require how many states in minimal DFA? 6 states. So how to construct? Now count B, either A horizontally or anything. So I will count A horizontally. Okay. So this is representing A's remainder. This is representing B's remainder. So by getting A, it will be 1 0. Okay. Again A here I counted. Now B here. And final state will be this because 0 0. So B is 0 1. Then again B 0 2. Then again B. This. Okay. It will be better if I will do like this. Okay. Let me erase that. Otherwise you might get confused. B by getting B there 0 1 there and now same way okay A A A A okay B B fine. B should be visible, so I should try here. Okay. So B I am increasing, so A will remain same. This is for A. Now 1. Okay. This is the answer. So now if they will ask, now they will not ask you to construct that. They will only ask you the minimal number of states you will require in minimal DFA. So your answer is going to be 6.